Welcome to Team Go Mode. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and today we got one of the newest members to the Live Good team, Crystal Lewis, aka the Fit Mom, aka my sister. What's up, Chris? What's up?
Hey, what's going on? I haven't been on this channel yet. I don't
I don't
believe. I haven't
know.
been on here, huh?
You might have been on here once. I don't know. Oh no, I think you was on my other channel actually. Yeah, you never been on
No, yeah, I wasn't on
the
this one.
yeah. This is that make money online entrepreneur channel. You know what I'm
Mm-hmm.
saying? So anyway, super excited because about a week ago you just joined Live Good, which is Live Good is on fire right now. And I approached you with it, like a month ago, right? And you wouldn't
Yep.
join. And then
Nah.
finally, like a week ago, you finally decided, like, yo, I gotta join Live Good. All right. So talk a little bit about like what made you actually officially join Live Good.
Well, actually, and you know me, like you said, it took forever. And you know what? Last year, I got into something, and I was like, and I jumped out once I realized, oh,
It was
this
trash,
ain't,
right? Yeah.
yeah, this ain't cool. I didn't like it. So, but the cool thing that made me take a second look at Live Good was the opportunity. So I said this on my other video, and I was talking about, you know, why or what made me join. It has to have value. So if it doesn't have value, I'm like, nah, there has to be an opportunity, right? So it has crazy opportunity. And you know me, dude, I'm all new to, I don't get into the whole,
Right.
um, make money online and things like that,
Network marketing, affiliate
yeah,
marketing, downlines,
that's not my
uplines.
thing.
Yeah.
That's not my thing. So,
Right.
but with this, I was like, wait a minute. If it's something that I like, something that I can promote, I see a value and opportunity. And then lastly, I saw a convenience. It's like, okay, the convenience is all of the supplements that you need, that your body needs to function at its best, is all in one place, right? So they have the super reds, the super greens, the plant-based protein, um heck, women's vitamins, vitamin D. um they're coming out with new products too, I hear. They
Yeah.
even have like the CBD oil, um skin cream. I don't get into all that stuff,
Right.
but the main thing, anything that has like the super reds or super greens or protein, I'm in, right? But the opportunity to be able to pay $9.95 a month
Yeah.
to get, or $100 a year to get your supplements for 75% off is crazy. So what I did was I looked at it as like a Sam's Club, Costco type thing. You have to pay a membership to get
Right.
those deep discounts. So I
Right.
was like, okay, if you're into supplements and you use these things, why not?
Hmm.
And if you're not into supplements and you're like thinking of, okay, how can I make some extra money at home? How can I do like a home based type thing on the side? Um, why not do this? Because the one thing that got me, that pulled me in, was no purchase requirement,
Right.
right? A lot of these things where I look at and I'm like, nah, nope. It's because, okay, you have to buy this every month. What if you don't want it? What if you're not into it? What if
Right.
you're just in it for, the marketing, the network marketing part? You're not into the products, right? So that's a waste. So the fact that you don't have to purchase anything, you just pay your membership, it's like, why not?
And you're
So
good to go.
yeah,
But
you're good to go.
but the
And then
thing,
another thing, and I'm sorry, I didn't mean to, I'm a rambler.
mm,
So the one thing I was like, paying the 9.95, to make sure, your spot is held, so that way you're up in that, the high ranking and things like that. Once you do start getting going and decide to make money, I'm thinking, I was like, why don't I just pay the $100 for the year? That's what I think I'm gonna do.
right.
Just to erase that 9.95, and you feel at ease, and you're like, you know what, you can just go in there and get your products at a crazy discount and not even think about it. Another thing, my bad, that I
Damn.
like about, I know, right? The other thing that I like about Live Good is the packs, the bundles that they have at a crazy discount. They have something called the lean pack where you get your protein, your greens, your reds, your vitamin D, all in a bundle for, I think, I can't remember, but it's either a little under $100 or a little over $100 with the membership discount. And people should really go, and this is what drew me. People should really take a look at the product page to compare the membership price versus the retail price, the non-member price, and compare these products also to leading products that's not Live Good. Compare them to Live Goods products. Like there's different greens and stuff that's way more expensive, but Live Good would have more. They have their proprietary. Wow, I said that without messing the word up. They have their proprietary blend, which they actually explain that on the back. They don't just say it
Right.
has this, it has this, it has that. It actually says it has this much. Let's just say this much spinach, this much kale, this much whatever. So you're not just wondering, okay, am I getting what it says or am I getting just some dust? I'm done talking, dude. I'm sorry. Go
Right.
ahead.
Right. So, well, one thing that I, talked about, especially, on this channel, one thing I was telling you about is the earning potential. Now, I know,
Mm,
you the fit mom, so you in the fitness, right? And you really more about the products, right? Which is super dope because the products are
mm-hmm.
actually good and they're actually affordable. But one thing I was telling you about, before I was like, yo, I know you into the products, but like check out the earning potential of this opportunity
Yeah.
because
Mm-hmm.
this is super easy to promote. And I know you're just starting to actually promote this opportunity on
Yeah.
your channel, the Fit Mom Life. Because when you check out how you can earn money with Live Good and how easy it is to actually start earning money as a Live Good member, it's like it's crazy. So tell me what you think about like the earning potential of Live Good. Even though I know, like I said, you're more about the products, but talk a little bit about like the earning potential, what you like about the earning potential.
I'm glad you asked that. So the one thing, so you know me, I'm not a sales lady. I don't harp on anything, or
Right,
I just put the information out there. And the one thing that I like is that you don't have to. You don't have to. Oh, get people underneath you and all that stuff. I mean, you can. That's an extra bonus if you want to. And I think you get what is it? Um, $25 for each member that you enroll, and then if you get two, you get a 50% matching bonus of what they sell. I mean,
right,
it gets in depth, but when you read it, you're like, wait a minute, I can do this without having to purchase anything, without um having to get a certain amount of people underneath me. Now, of course, that's a bonus. If you get people underneath you, that's just more for you. But I love not being pressured, right? I like the just letting it take its course, and the potential is there. The
right,
potential is there if someone takes the tour, if they want to, pre-enroll, and then they're like, you know what? I want to do this. You know what I mean? Because they see the value, the opportunity,
right,
the convenience, the VOC, right? In customer service world, that's a voice of the customer. But
right.
in my world, it's value, opportunity, and convenience. So that's what got me the no pressure.
Yeah, and that's why I love Live Good right now because of the fact it's very easy to promote because
Mm-hmm.
their enrollment page, their presentation page is so compelling, right? It's very
Mm.
enticing for people. So really, as a Live Good member, if you're trying to just build up your business, build up your Live Good team, and start earning some income, all you need to really do is just drive people to your Live Good sales page,
Page to
right? Where
that
people
site.
can
Yeah.
check out the 5 minute video. And basically, it's just taking the Live Good tour, right?
Yep.
Because there's a video on that page and it breaks everything down about LiveGood, its products, and the actual opportunity, right? So I'm excited because when I joined the kick-ass team, Team Diamond, and now I got my sister, the Fit Mom. She's on the team as well, and I'm super excited about actually, getting her going and helping building her team and everything. So this is why I'm gonna put your link, Fit Mom, in the description of
Oh
this
gosh.
video, right? So if anybody watching this and they want to join, they can actually take the Live Good tour and be a part of your team and actually be a part of my team, and they'll be a part of Team Diamond as well if they're interested in actually, joining a dope team and getting help building their Live Good business. All right. So if you're watching this video and you have not taken the Live Good tour yet, click the first link in the description. That's the Fit Moms link. Check it out for yourself. Pre-enroll and get started with this opportunity because this is a dope opportunity. All right.
I gotta
So
cut you off.
what's up?
Sorry, I gotta cut you off. Now, going back, wrapping around to the earning potential, I do want to point this out, and I'm not just singling out the moms, the fit moms or whatever, but another thing that drew me was I thought about that. I thought about a couple of my neighbors that are, just stay-at-home moms. They're just not really, not I don't want to say not doing anything, but they're looking for something else to do without having to go anywhere, without having to do anything. And this is one of those opportunities where you can sit there and get supplements for yourself, for your family. I want them to come out with something for kids. That's what I'm waiting on. But, for yourself, for your family, and drive traffic to your site. Your friends at the gym, your family members, all that stuff to let them know about it. But yeah, it's something that so a working mom, a stay-at-home mom, whatever, this is a great opportunity for you, for us, as well to take advantage of. And that's the one thing I forgot to mention.
Oh,
I'm done.
super dope. And like I said, that's why me and you both being in the fitness, and I'm all about being an entrepreneur, and I'm all about that passive income, recurring income. And this is why Live Good is such a hot opportunity, and I'm super excited to be a part of it. And I was even more happy to bring you on the team, and you're actually experiencing how cool this opportunity is. So this is something that we both plan on being involved with for many years to come and actually
Yeah,
building a
absolutely.
real business, a real nice side income, and staying healthy at the same damn
You know what? Let me jump in again. So,
damn.
yeah,
Go
so
ahead.
no, why you said for years to come, right? Um, I'm 45, right? You
Mm,
know that. I'm 45.
damn, yeah.
And so, with the super reds, all this stuff's supposed to be, heart healthy and all that. I need another good 45 years. So I would like to think I'm in pretty good shape now, but as you get older, your body is going to be like, I need this, I need more of that, I need more of this. So, why not be able to take advantage of these supplements that are good for your heart? You got vitamin D, good for your bones, immune system, all kinds of stuff. So it's like, that's another thing that made me want to really think about this. I'm like, look, I don't feel old, but I know my insides are getting old, and I have to do everything I can to make sure that I get another good, clean 45 years at my best. So that's another good, live good. The title, the name speaks for itself. If you want to live good while making money on the side.
All right, so once again, if you haven't checked out Live Good yet, click the link in the description and take the Live Good tour, and we will both see you on the team. Peace.
Bye.